Hello guys, if you're facing the issue you can't change the name of your Facebook page and you have no objection on your page, so you can just go into the Facebook. I will tell you how you can resolve this issue. Just click on the Facebook, click on this three line on the left corner, scroll down and there is the option of help and support, and just click on the report a problem. Just click on the include here, and you can tell here about your page. So what's wrong here, you can write and I just want to copy here to face your time. So just write here this and just send them. And what I observe from here, they will not reply or anything, but your issue will be solved in like 24 to 36 hours if your Facebook page don't have any objection or any strike.